The Impact of Artificial Intelligence in Shaping the Future of Customer Experience Part 2 of 3. 5. The Growing Popularity of Intelligent Virtual Assistants. One of the most notable trends in AI-driven CX is the increasing popularity of intelligent virtual assistants. Powered by AI, IVAs have evolved from basic chatbots to sophisticated tools capable of understanding and responding to customers using natural language. This evolution has resulted in a more seamless and engaging customer experience, with some IVAs even being preferred over human agents in certain situations due to their speed and efficiency. 6. The advancement of IVAs with large language models. Integrating large language models, LLMs, into IVAs has significantly enhanced their conversational abilities, allowing them to understand and respond to users using natural language. LLM-powered IVAs, such as OpenAI's chatgpt, have become more accurate and capable, leading to a vastly improved customer experience compared to earlier versions. 7. AI's influence on contact center performance. AI has not only transformed customer experience but also revolutionized contact center performance. AI has increased customer satisfaction and potential revenue generation by enabling contact centers to handle complex transactions like mortgage processing in a single call. Furthermore, AI-powered routing systems have allowed contact centers to prioritize high-engagement interactions, shifting their focus from high-frequency, low-complexity tasks to more meaningful and quality interactions. 8. Embracing an outside-in approach to customer experience. An outside-in approach to customer experience involves understanding and prioritizing the customer's perspective and needs. This approach is crucial for businesses looking to leverage artificial intelligence, as it ensures that the technology is implemented to genuinely enhance the customer experience. By focusing on the customer's journey and using AI-driven tools to analyze customer data, businesses can gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions to improve their CX. In the final part of this mini-series, we will look at concerns with artificial intelligence, developing a strategy for AI in CX, and take a glimpse into the future. See you there. Don't forget you can download the transcript, and please do subscribe and like for more.